All right, welcome back. So in this is a code.org CS Discoveries. We're looking at lesson 6, random numbers. And in this activity, we're going to do random lines. So it says in the scene below, all it is are just a bunch of straight lines, not very exciting. Make this scene more fun by randomizing positions of each lines. Have fun, randomize the positions of each line. So as we look at a line, we have x1, y1, x2, y2. So we're going to change those with some random numbers. So you can see they're just kind of straight here. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 of them across. So let's just go ahead and we'll add some numbers. We don't have to change all of them. We can just change some of them. And the way you're going to do that is you're just going to drag a random number in here. So we can, don't know why I didn't do that. Oh, let's keep this one. Let's change this one. Yeah, let's change this one here. And let's keep that top one. And let's just try to, we'll see what we get. And if we do that, so we're going to say 100. And then let's randomly generate this number right here. Let's just use a lot of random numbers built in. So each time, that's going to change as well. So you can stack these. So every time this will be 100 will be the low end, but then the next time, let's say that it's going to be 150 to 300. One time it might be 150, the next time it might be 300. And you can kind of see over here that changing a little bit. Kind of see the difference. All right, so then we're going to add that one. And let's go ahead and add another. Let's do this one. And we'll just do 150, 300. Now we can really have some random lines. Okay, so we're just going to kind of keep going through, add some more, and you can kind of see what's going on with those. So just keep adding random numbers in. Let's see what this one does. Okay, so you're just going to keep adding random numbers to all the different locations. You don't have to do all of them, just some of them. And then basically just do that. Have fun. See what you can make. All right. Hopefully that helps you with this. Good luck.